In this video, I'm going to teach how to solve two-step inequalities and graph them. Of course, just like equations, I would add 4 to both sides, cancel, and have 8x is less than or equal to 16. Divide by 8, divide by 8. X is less than or equal to 2. So my circle is on the 2. It's filled in because it can be equal to, and it is pointing to the left, just like our inequality is pointing to the left. Number 2 gets a little harder. To unlock the x plus 2, we're going to have to multiply both sides by 4 immediately. Those will cancel out, unlocking x plus 1 on the right. And we still have 2 times 4 over here, which is 8. Subtract 1 from both sides. I'm going to continue up here. That would make 7 is greater than or equal to x. Well, I know that I want to graph it with x on the left. So I'm going to reverse my inequality so it's x is less than or equal to 7. Circle is on the 7. It's filled in, and it's pointing to the left. Number 4 looks a little harder. The x is already on the right to start with, so that makes it one step harder at least anyway. Let's go ahead and try to solve that. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. Well, I know that 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Keep my sign. That negative does not just go away. It's still with the 3x. Keep it with the 3x. Dividing both sides by negative 3. I know that negative 6 divided by negative 3, continuing up here, is a positive 2, which is greater than. I have to flip my sign because I divided both sides by a negative. Uh-oh, x is still on the right. So if 2 is greater than x, x is less than 2. So I'm going to put my circle at the 2. It's going to be open, and it's going to point to the left. You may decide there's not enough room on this paper. I am kind of deciding there is not enough room on this paper. If that is the case, you need to work in your notebook, unless you can make it beautiful and wonderful, which I can't say that I did, and ask your sub if you have questions, or me when I come back.